Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video tutorial. Today I'll guide you through on how to use or add a total row in your Excel table to display calculations. To do that, you open up your Excel worksheet, then you select your table. Now let's make this into a table. You click on Insert, then you select Table. Good. Now you select or you click on the table style options. In the table style options, you click on total row. Now you click or you select the row you want to display the total numbers. In the drop down options, you click on the drop down options beside it and choose the number you want to display the total numbers. It could be sum, average, count, and so on. So let's use sum. So you can see the total numbers is being displayed on the screen. You can also apply that to other rows, other columns you want to get the total numbers for. So that's it guys. We have successfully added total rows in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. Please ensure to like and subscribe for more content. Bye guys.